Hello, my name is Sabhagya Das and I'm the narrator of the story. So, as it is my responsibility to let you through the role playing smoothly and make you understand what we are trying to depict, I would like to start with what this role play depicts. We are trying to depict through this role play how it is important to take necessary precautions during coronavirus, and that how it is not a responsibility of single-handedly one person to do so, but is a responsibility of every citizen of every country to do so, because it's a wrath on human being and we all have to stop it as soon as possible. So in the first scene we see how a family is arranging to go to a mall, and friends are also arranging to go to the mall to meet after a long time because they have been in home and they are bored of it, which we supposedly call quarantine, which we all know and are bored of. So in this role play we will see how at the end what happens and how it depicts that yes, it's necessary to prevent coronavirus and how we should take it seriously. And so with that said, let's continue with the role play now.
Mom, we have not gone out for so long. Can we go to shopping today?
Abhi, will you go to the office today?
No, today I guess there is no work left, Ria. So I guess we can go out for shopping today.
Okay, let's get ready and meet in the car in 5 minutes.
I'm getting bored. Let's call Roman. Hello, Roman. Are you there?
Hello. Yes, I am here. Yeah. How did you remember me?
Yeah, we have a holiday after a long time now. So I thought if we could make a plan and go out.
Wait a second. We can also take Ohirub and Tirthankar with us? Yeah, sure. Hmm.
Hello guys, how are you? Roman told me about your plan today.
Okay then, we four could go out for a drive and shop for the coming festival.
Okay, then guys, meet at Acropolis in 10 minutes. Yeah. Bye.
Dad, I want Nike shoes for my birthday.
Let's see if we get the shoes there.
We will get the shoes right at that corner.
They went to the shop and the shopkeeper asked them,
Sir, what are you searching for?
I am thinking if I will be getting blue Nike shoes for my son.
The colors you are asking for is not available right now. May I show you some similar colors?
Okay, let me see. What colors do you have?
students entry.
Nirvan, do you want to buy clothes or you are fine with buying shoes?
Hey Ovidu, I think I should buy a new pair of shoes. The shoes in the next shop are looking very much mesmerizing.
I just ordered shirts from online, so I think shoes will be good for me too. Yeah.
Okay, then guys, let's all buy shoes.
Ria, are you seeing them? They
Whom? Those boys?
see how much careless they are. In this pandemic situation also, they are not bothered to move out of their houses without taking proper precautions also.
Yes, none of them are wearing masks, nor do they care of.
Being an elder than them, I should tell them. Don't I need to?
Yes, they need to be
You.
scolded.
What's your name? Are you a college student?
Yes, we are in second year student.
Sir, I am in first year. They are my seniors. Are you okay, sir?
Sir, do you need any help?
Yes sir, if we can help you, please tell us.
Excuse me, shopkeeper. How can you allow these children to enter without masks? You are so careless. For people like you, these children has crossed their limits.
Sir. Listen first. We just planned this meet in a hurry. So,
Sir, actually I was in the college and in a hurry I need to get out from there, so mistakenly I forgot my mask in the college premises.
Sorry sir, we will try to maintain the needed precaution while going out from next time.
Who is that boy? Why is he touching those stuffs without using any sanitizers? Is he your friend?
Sir, I was just checking the quality.
Excuse me, shopkeeper. How can you allow these children to enter without masks? You are so careless. For people like you, these children has crossed their limits.
I am extremely sorry, sir. From next time, I will make sure that everyone who enters my shop will wear a mask.
Calm down, Abhi. They are just children. Let's buy them masks and tell them that from next time onwards, they should never forget things like this.
Please, give me 3 masks. Listen, children. You might be very much grown up, but you are still like my child. Take these masks and wear it and maintain the proper precautions from next time you go out from your house. Understood?
Sir, I want to say something. Sir, you are actually a very kind person. Like me, myself, being so arrogant, I was feeling so pleased to listen to your words. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being so kind.
Thank you so much, sir. We are very much grateful that you are so kind.
Sir, there are very few people who ever notices such things, and if they do, they are never cared about telling.
I hope our family one day meet you and your family. Thank you for making us understanding not by rudeness but by politely and
I want that t-shirt. Let's go there, please.
Okay, beta. Let's go. Childrens, I hope we will meet up very soon. Take care and please maintain the precautions from next time.
As the role play has ended, I hope we were able to convey the message that coronavirus is a very serious issue and we should take it very seriously. It has not only caused deaths of hundreds and millions of people we liked and aspired to be, and it affected us mentally. We were not stable during this quarantine days, and I hope we all together would be able to prevent it as soon as possible, because by being together we can do anything as long as we are united. And soon the days of moving out, going out from house, traveling freely come soon, and we'll be back to what we were again. And so we hope we all stay positive during these days, which we have to stay in house these days. And as soon as this pandemic ends and the precautions that we need to take nowadays, we take it seriously, everything will be back to what it was. So thank you for watching the role play.